Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your identity with IdentityForce step by step clearly. Start by visiting the IdentityForce website. Click on the Sign Up button to create your account. Fill in your personal information, including your name, email address, and phone number. Create a strong password that combines letters, numbers, and special characters. Review and accept the terms and conditions to proceed. Once registered, you'll receive a verification email. Click the link in the email to verify your account. Log into your IdentityForce account using your email and newly created password. Navigate to the dashboard to explore available services. Select the identity protection plan that best fits your needs. Enter additional personal information as prompted to enhance your protection. Activate monitoring features, including credit monitoring and social media alerts. Set up alerts for any suspicious activity like new account openings. Utilize the identity theft recovery tools provided for added security. Regularly review your account activity and reports for any discrepancies. Adjust your settings as needed to ensure maximum protection. Stay informed by reading the educational resources available on the site. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.